Using powers of 2 or otherwise, work out the non-zero value of x for which 16 to the x, then to the x, is equal to 1 over 2 to the 3x. You must show your working. Seems like a good idea to use powers of 2. 16 is equal to 2 to the 4, because 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So what we have is 2 to the 4 to the x is equal to, now on the other side there, I'm going to use a to the negative n is 1 over a to the n to write it as 2 to the negative 3x. Now here we would multiply these. So that gives us 2 to the 4x squared. We're using a to the m to the n is a to the m times n. We've just got an extra thing outside here, like so. And that's 2 to the negative 3x. Well, if that's true, since the bases are the same, the indices must be equal. 4x squared must be equal to negative 3x, and that means 4x squared plus 3x is equal to 0. And we can factorize there by taking out an x. 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. That gives us x is 0, or x is equal to negative 3/4. Since we want the non-zero value, our answer is negative 3/4.